Hi everyone. So our today's topic is how to make your traveling fun. Here are few tips which will help you to plan your ideal holidays for your upcoming exciting trips. Firstly, what you can do is you can plan your travel earlier on time. So unexpected plans are very exciting, but it's good to plan a trip very well in advance. Planning not only covers what clothes you will going to wear on or a place you will going to visit. It's beyond that. You need to start with deciding the dates and duration of your trip 1 month in advance. This will help you to pack your things peacefully, and once you are done with your ticketing, it leads you towards stress-free travel. The second thing which you can do is you need to find a traveling mate, that is your traveling partner. You can be a solo traveler, but it's always good to have a good travel company. Once you are going on a long vacation or a trip, your travel partner matters in many ways. As you have someone to share your thoughts and your feelings and to enjoy every new experiences with fun-loving partner, make it more exciting. Traveling partner can be your one good friend, can be your siblings, can be your office colleague, or your soulmate. The next step, that is, keep electronic gadgets with you. Always keep them with you. Electronic gadgets are not only covers your cell phone but other necessary equipment, which include your camera to capture your beautiful moments, hard drive to keep all your data stored safely. You may be facing memory issue in your cell phone or in your camera, so don't forget to keep extra sockets, chargers and earphones with you. Drone and camera with a tripod considered to be the most important items, which will help you to save your beautiful moments and add value to your trip. Okay, the next step is music is fun. So music keeps you alive and always boosts up your energy. Whenever you are down, it's good to have a good playlist with a different variety of the melodies which will add colors to your trip. So music can mesmerize you in so many ways, whether you are a solo traveler or traveling in a group. So you can play it in your car and enjoy the scenery or having fun on a bonfire for barbecue sessions. The next tip is identify the selected spots. So it's better to identify the famous selected spots before visiting there. Allocate the time accordingly, rather visiting each and every spot of that place, which is just waste of time and energy. One should be very careful deciding about the spot to visit which is really worth visiting, because sometimes we have limitation with the time and the budget. So the best strategy to save the time and energy and the money, only visit those places which are really worth visiting. Okay, the next step is smart budgeting. Firstly, you need to see that how much budget you have for this trip. Then you have to have a clear picture of overall budgeting. It's better to calculate everything in advance, including ticketing, local traveling, and also accommodation. And few extra amount for unforeseen events, so you need to keep that also. Always limit yourself with the allocated budget, otherwise extra spending will lead you to the extra trouble. Now we will going to talk about the next step is mode of traveling. So the best mode of traveling after arriving on the destination is to use their local transport. Rather hiring a taxi or a private car, best traveling mode can be their local transport, including the train, tram, buses, which will help you to enjoy more and explore their culture and mingle around with the locals, that will be totally different experience and you will have in your life. The next step is important packing stuff. So it is good to have a limited luggage which is easy for you to carry everywhere. You can just cut down your more clothes. It's better to keep more shirts with a limited pair of jeans. Cut more shoes, rather keep comfortable shoes to walk around. Keep small bag to carry important stuff and cash which you can carry with you all the time. Rest of the luggage you can be leaving in the hotel. Now the next step is forget about the job. So whenever you are on the vacation or you have the plans or the holidays, it's better to forget about your job or the work. So if you are spending quality time with the family and in that holiday you are attending the official calls or are busy in emailing or doing office work, so that will simply ruin your whole trip. Always keep yourself disconnected with the official matters and try to enjoy each and every second of your precious time. The next tip is explore the new culture. So there is no harm in exploring the new culture, meeting with the new people and enjoying the new food and experiencing the new tradition. That will be new learning experience of your life, which will lead you to have a new friends belongs to a different culture. It will always have a fun to get yourself lost in the new world which you have never experienced before and exploring the new things in your life for the first time. So this is all about the different tips which you can have in order to make your traveling fun. So thank you so much. We will come up with some new topic in the next video.